Hello viewers, welcome back my YouTube channel Very Technical Hasib. So friends, welcome back again a great platform. So friends, today I will review and discuss this project. So friends, this project name is Majid Project. So friends, this project some update. Today I will review. So friends, this project private sale is running. So friends, 64 days remaining their platform. Look at this. I hope you are obviously watch it. And friends, look at this introduction their platform. So friends, look at this. Chit fund is a non-banking financial uh, ins- institution organized in India which come under the RBI Act 1934. So friends, look at this. Chit fund are the traditional means of saving and borrowing in which member or the subscribers agree to contribute a fixed amount of money for fixed duration of time. So friends, obviously you are read it know about something very good. So friends, you are obviously read their introduction. So friends, look at this another white paper. You have obviously download their white paper and know about something their know about their platform and know about their UCF token. So friends, today I will discuss about their roadmap, their platform roadmap, UCF token and their roadmap. So friends, you are look at this their roadmap. So friends, we are coming their roadmap. Look at this project roadmap. So friends, look at this the 920 2019 the roadmap is concept formation. And look at this the 2019 their white paper creation start. And they are start their roadmap white paper. Then look at this the Q3 2020 website launched. They are launched their website. So friends, they are very fast work hard work their team member. So friends, look at this the 2021 white paper version B 1.0 released their white paper version 1 released. So friends, look at this 2021 commencement commencement and commencement of private sale round. They are start their commencement of private sale round 2021 at the present time. So friends, look at this their future is the 2022. So look at this MPB release and marketing campaign start. They are start their marketing. Look at this, there is big future plan. They are MPB release and marketing campaign. What a feature, what a great feature they are coming here. So friends, obviously this is one of the most very legit and most interesting platform here 2022. So friends, look at this the Q2 2022 commencement of public sale round. Again they are commencement of the public sale round start here 2022. Then you are obviously try to their token buy here. So friends, look at this 2022 final product release. They are final product release 2022. And so friends, look at this the final product. What is the final product? I don't know. So friends, they are released their final product 2022. So friends, their roadmap is very clean and clear and decentralized roadmap. So friends, their roadmap very legit. And their 2019 they worked here and hard work day by day. And I hope their platform very legit. They are coming here 2022 MPV release and marketing campaign start. So friends, this is a great features. And they are again 2022 they are running their public sale. And then I hope their token price is over, is very pump. So friends, at the present time their private cell running. So friends, look at this 64 days remaining. So friends, at the present time the year of 2021 their private sale is running. I hope at the present time their USF token is very cheap price. I hope you are obviously buy their token. And I hope future 2022 then their token price is very pump. Then you are sell their token. I hope you are great profit generate 2022. So friends, their all things, their roadmap is very clean and clear. Future update, their platform future is very bright. So friends, their platform, I hope, great platform. So friends, look at this, the Umachit Fund team. So friends, look at this, the Umachit Fund team, the founder and CEO, trader, blockchain consultant. Look at this, their info, and look at this, the another member. Look at this COO, content manager. Information here. Obviously, you are visit their profile and know about something there. All update, all information. So first, look at this. The frequently asked question. Any common question here you are asked here. So friends, look at this. The very some common question. Obviously, you are click and know about there some common question. So friends, look at this, the get in touch with us, the first name. Look at this, looked here. So friends, sorry. So friends, look at this, the first name, last name, email, and message. So how do you know now? And this message, right here, and please and send, click the send button, and there, and you know about something of what is your problem, you message here and send. So friends, look at this, the newsletter. Obviously, you are at here email and subscribe. Obviously, you know very fast they are all update then this platform and their project and pre-sale and all update. So friends, look at this is their all social media link. Obviously join their all social media link and know about something and know about this platform and their UCF token all update very fast. So friends, this is very good and legit platform. Their roadmap is very clean and clear. So friends, I hope future is in this project very highly very great platform. So friends, this project all links in my video description. Please check my video description. So friends, I hope we are very good profit generate future in this project. So friends, obviously you are buy the token, you save token at the present time very cheap price. So friends, I hope you are great profit generate future. So friends, thank you so much. Thanks.